we've got Isaiah profiled here, and it's now time to cut the shoulders for it. And so what this is gonna be is essentially, we know that since we want it to sit about right there, I'm gonna put a mark right here and right here. So now I can take my Bill Benke file guide here and put it on, and I want that carbide facing the tang area. Start off by clamping it down loosely. So we've got it centered up here, we've got it on the lines that I want, and now I can crank it down a little bit harder. You don't want to crank these down too hard. You can make this thing bend and make it pop off, which is not ideal. You don't need to crank it down hard enough that it's gonna pop off. If you're doing that, you're cranking it down way too hard, but we've got it tightened down a pretty good ways now. So we can head into the grinding room and we can cut our shoulders in on the tang here. I'll just take it and then first I'll go sideways on the belt grinder and cut in that shoulder, sideways on the other side, and then I'll come up and grind it flush on either side. And because this is C2 carbide, you can grind right up into those little plates without damaging them. So let's go ahead and head onto the grinding room and get those shoulders squared up. So that is how you do it. We've got some nice square shoulders now, ready to have a guard fit up, and we've got another tool for that. We'll talk about that later on.